Emily and welcome to our other video.
Yes, so welcome to another video. We have got a few jobs we are going to do today in the garden. So we've got this beautiful tree here, but this time of year all of its leaves fall off, which is fine for the bed because they can just mulch down in the flower bed. But on the grass, today we're going to collect them up, rake them all up. So Emily's got the wheelbarrow. We're now going to put the leaves in the wheelbarrow.
There's lots of stuff in here.
Well, we're going to take them out, aren't we? We can take the watering can out. George got that because he loves to water. But we don't need to water because it's been a bit wet this weekend. Bricks, don't just put them on the floor, Emily. We're going to take them back round where the pile, we've got another pile of bricks. Pick them up. Pick them up. Bit of a dumping ground here. This is where our brick store is, of our wall that we brought down around the front. So when the rest of the wall is down, we will get a grab loader in to take it all away. And then put all the leaves in the wheelbarrow.
Yeah.
That'd be beautiful.
You can keep some.
Ah! Let's put it in the pile. So we've picked up all the leaves. Now we've got to find somewhere to put them in. Last year we had like a big bulk bag, but it's not empty. Well, we have got another one. We'll have to go and use that.
Yeah.
So let me go and get it and we'll put it in the bulk bag. Turn around. Back up the garden, other way. No, this way.
Park.
You're going the wrong way.
Parked it.
You parked it. We have to turn around now. Reverse.
Baby.
That's it. Turn around. Up the garden. No, up towards the shed. What are you doing?
This way.
We seem to be having trouble manoeuvring it.
I know.
That's better. Don't tip them all out. That's it. Go. Get one over, George.
Come on, George, this way.
Go, Emily. Go. Well done. Leave it there. What have you found, Emily?
A spider.
A spider.
Before I actually holded a spider before. Come on, spider. Huh?
It's hanging off your arm down there. Don't let him go on your coat. He's on your coat now. There he is. And look at your leaf that you've got, Emily. It has started to decompose. It may have been eaten by little creatures, by little insects. And you can see sort of the veins of it. It's almost see-through, isn't it?
Yeah.
It started to decompose. And this is the leaf mould that we collected, I don't know if it's last year or even the year before. So there's some stuff on top here, Emily, look, that hasn't broken down yet. But this stuff is looking very good. That was all. So that used to look like this, Emily. That used to look like those leaves that we just collected. If you put them somewhere, we put them in this bulk bag. And after a couple of years, it breaks down like this. And it's a fungus that breaks it down. And you can then use it on your garden. So you can use it to mulch, which means to put it round the tops of your, or the bottoms of your plants, just on the soil surface to try and get some nutrients into it. Oh, Emily, look, something's growing. Look. Oh, look.
Oh, look.
Oh, hang on, be careful because I don't want it falling off. What is it?
It's a root.
It's a root. And what's the plant? Look, what's this, do you think? This bit here.
It's the bowl.
It's actually, don't squeeze it, don't keep it off. It's actually, I think, this is a little oak tree, look, I think. So do you know what seed an oak tree comes from?
No.
Have a think.
From an oak tree.
So what seed do we collect for an oak tree? Begins with an A.
Oak tree?
An oak tree. That would be probably a better idea. It's called an acorn. An acorn is the seed, and the acorn will grow into an oak tree. So we want to keep that and have a look at that. So that'll be really interesting. Look, you can see the seed, the roots, and then the shoot. And this will be another oak tree. So this is the old leaf mould. We've got a new bag for this year, and we're going to put all this in this new bag, Emily. And then I think in about a week's time we'll probably have some more to rake up from the garden as well. And then in a year or two it will turn into all this lovely dark soil. Okay? By the power of YouTube. Click.
Thank you for watching our video, and we have some fire behind us. We're celebrating because James King didn't die.
Yes, Emily's been learning all about Guy Fawkes and the Gunpowder Plot and King James, haven't you?
See you next week.